Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to change call layout on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, you can see the three dot on the right side. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And the pop-up are show. Okay, you can now select the settings. Here in settings, you can see the call background. Okay, tap this. In call background, there are two options. You can set the SIM1 or the SIM2. So, for my example, I set the call background and SIM1. Here, okay, you can see below the option. Okay, you can see the background and layout. You'll have to do is select the layout for this tutorial. And okay, here you can choose how to show color info when the person has a profile picture. So there are two options here. You can set this one. So I select this one, this small profile picture and small size of name and number. So okay, after that, you can go back. And you can see the layout is changed. And that's it, okay? We have successfully changed call layout on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.